Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the JavaScript tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial I will explain how to add an alternative table rows and columns background color using a pure JavaScript code. So let's start the tutorial. And here we got the output of our application. Notice we have added the alternative colors to this table. Reload the browser. See, here we got the alternative colors. If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates. For this video tutorial I am using Visual Studio Code. First, go to file, create one new text file. After that, select the language. I am selecting the language is HTML. Then let's save this file. I am saving this file on my desktop under JavaScript-tutorials folder. Now here the file name is the alternative rows columns add colors. Let's save this file. After saving this file in the HTML extension format, now let's add the basic HTML tags, which are the HTML header section. After the header section, I am adding the body tag. Now inside this body tag, I am adding center element h1 header. How to add alternative background colors to table rows and columns using JavaScript. After that I am adding horizontal line. Now after the horizontal line I am adding one table element. Inside this table element I am adding tr then td. Now this td is first name. Copy this one. The second td is last name, and the third td is location, and the fourth td is occupation. Then I am adding some data 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now the first name I am adding Charan with K, and the location is the Hyderabad. After that, style is equals to, I am adding some border to this table. Size is 1 pixel, the solid line, and the color of the line is black color. After that I am adding some cell padding also. Cell padding is equals to 10 pixels. That's it. Now let's save this file. We'll check the output before writing the JavaScript code. Let's check the output, how it looks, the designing part on the browser. Go to file, first save this file, then run, start debugging. I'm selecting the browser Chrome. And here we got the output of our application. At this moment the data is looking like that, like this, very simple. Now my aim is I want to add the alternative row colors to this table using a JavaScript. So let's switch over to the HTML page. The code, the JavaScript I am adding after the body tag. Script, inside the script I am adding type is equals to text / JavaScript. Then in the script I am adding variable. I am declaring one variable, table alternative colors is equals to document.getElement by. Here I am adding tag name. To add the tag name for the table rows, we have to use tr between double quotes tr. Now for loop, for variable I is equals to 0, I is less than I want to calculate the TR the number of TRs in this table. So let's grab this variable dot length property I plus plus. Now here the condition, if I divided by 2 is double equals to 0. Now let's add the style for this table columns. We have more than one row, so I am adding I here. Dot style dot background color. Background color is equals to, I am adding purple column, and also I want to add the text color also. Simply add the color property and white. Background color of the text color is white. Now let's check the output after adding this snippet, JavaScript snippet. Let's save this file, go to run, start debugging, and here we got the output of our application. Notice we have added the alternative colors to this table. The rows, for the rows I have added. Suppose if you want to add alternative colors from, let's make it 1 here. Save this file, go to browser, reload the browser. See here we got alternative colors for the index 1. This is index 0, row index 0, row index 1, row index 2, like that. I have showed now how to add the alternative colors to the rows. Now I want to add the alternative colors to the columns. For that, simply use, instead of TR, just add TD. That's it. Now let's save this file again, switch over to the browser, reload the browser. See here we got the alternative colors to the browser. Suppose if you want to add the alternative colors for the first column, simply use 0 here. Then again save this file, reload the browser. See here we got the output of our application. That's it. In this video tutorial I have explained how to add the alternative colors to the rows and columns to your HTML table using a JavaScript. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial.